Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see push versus pull based deployment. Traditional push model. So in the CI/CD pipeline, here it forces the updates directly into the cluster. For example, like a delivery driver forcing a package through your front door. So in this case, the external system, it requires the access to our cluster. Okay, whereas in the pull based method, the operator that will be lives inside the cluster and it will constantly watch for the Git repo for any changes. So here, for example, like securely checking your own mailbox from inside your house. Okay, so the benefit is here the cluster fetches its own updates so that the external system will not have access to the cluster, and that way we can lock down the security and it will stop the configuration drift. So here, as you can see in this comparison for push versus pull based CI/CD models, so once the developer commits the code into the Git repository, which is the single source of truth, and then the continuous integration steps will trigger where it will run the build unit test and it will build the Docker images and then it will push into the container registry. So until these steps for both push based and pull based CI/CD, it will be common. And after that, for push based pipeline, here it will push the configurations and manifest into the target Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so for example, let's say we are using the Jenkins and here the Jenkins required the target cluster credential access so that it can push the configuration and manifest into the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so here the secret management is complex for external system holding the keys. Whereas in the pull based pipeline, where we are referring as a GitOps, here it will pull the changes from the Git. So here there will be a Git operator, the GitOps operator. For example, let's say we have a Argo CD. So this will be constantly monitoring the Git for any changes. So if there are any changes for the manifest or Helm charts, it will pull the changes and it will maintain the desired state. So here it will be more secure because no external cluster will have access to this Kubernetes cluster. So here a Git is the single source of truth. Okay, so that's all in this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.